In this video, I'm going to show you how in ChatSEO we create this kind of pages, SEO pages with Claude Code, and you will see it's very easy without sacrificing the quality of the pages. So these pages are starting to rank on Google, and right now I will give you my full process. So the goal here is to publish regularly, quickly, multiple high-quality SEO pages targeting business keywords close to purchase intent. That's what we call business keywords. And you will see this technique will allow you to unlock a new organic revenue, recurring revenue. So that's really insane. So the first step you need to do is to identify keywords patterns. So what are keyword patterns? These are similar keywords that have the same search intent. So when you type them on Google, you will see that Google makes rank the same kind of pages. So this is similar pages to create for you with a business potential that is present. So that's really nice. So to identify these patterns, the first step is to go on ChatSEO, or you can try on SEMrush or href, but you need to understand these complex tools. So the best alternative is to go on ChatSEO just here. You see that here I'm connected with my website. And what I will ask him is first build my SEO strategy for my site. And you will see that he will discover this kind of patterns. So you will see here, you see that the tool is connected to real SEO data. So for example, here to the Google Search Console, which is the free official best tool to track your results. Then he will do some SEO research, keyword researches on Google Ads, for example. And then he will find this kind of pattern just here. So here the first category is SEO tool comparisons with search intent, which is commercial. So that's why we want. And here's some examples. So SEMrush alternative, href alternative, best SEO tool, etc. And so that's exactly what we are looking for here. So for example, we can go with this first category. Okay, so then the next step will be to create one perfect page with ChatSEO, and then we will duplicate automatically or semi-automatically this page with Claude Code. So here we can pick one pattern, so for example, alternative, and we can ask ChatSEO, okay, let's create a first page on SEMrush alternative. And you will see he will do a really great job, because so I'm SEO expert, SEO consultant since 2020, and I made this tool so that it can follow my expert processes. So for example, here he is just typing SEMrush alternative on Google. You can see here SEMrush alternative, and then analyze what are the best ranking pages on that specific keyword. So that's really nice, because he understands what Google expects for these specific keywords, and then it will make an SEO brief. So you can see just here. So he recommends to create a pages, so SEMrush alternative or SEMrush versus ChatSEO, which is relevant too, and then it gives you the full content outline just here, with specifications on the form of answer that you need to give. So that's not just only giving you a list of H2, H3, etc. It's really telling you that for this specific H2, you will need to answer by a step-by-step migration guide, etc. So that's really relevant. And then it will also give you so title, a structure, so a more detailed structure just here, and then it will ask if you want to write the content with ChatSEO. And so here you just have to say yes. Yes, let's go, my friend, for example, and he will do it. And then you will just have to paste that really optimized content into Claude Code, and we'll do it just after, and duplicate for many keywords that respect the same pattern. So for example, here we are doing a sandwich alternative, but then we'll do href alternative, etc. And I will show you the exact method just after. Okay, so just here is the text that ChatSEO just wrote for us. I will really quickly tell you why this text is really great for SEO. So first of all, you can see that the article is well structured. So again, what I did here is I created a specific writing agent that follows my expert processes. That's why the text is really great for SEO. So first of all, you can see that it's a synthetic way of writing, and that's really what people in Google want today. So here you can see that there is bullet points. There is not no endless text bullshit SEO text that can be totally useless. And here you have also table, etc. So that's a really scannable, easily scannable text that's really great. And you also have a FAQ section with also a useful sources section with really relevant links. So that's for the EEAT part, so the authority part that Google wants for your website and for your pages. So when we have this, you can just copy here the text that ChatSEO gave to us, and then you need to create the perfect page. Here you already have the text of it, but you need to pay attention to some details. So you can see that the first step was about 20 seconds in ChatSEO, so really quick. And here you have to spend like maybe 1 hour to create the very first page of your SEO pattern because you need to pay attention to some details. So the first thing is content. So ChatSEO will deliver you really great content in an SEO aspect, but maybe you will want to add some details or to modify some information that ChatSEO wrote. So that's the first thing. Then you will have to deploy some features. And so here I will not publish this page, but I will show you what we did on our ChatSEO blog. And you will see that we have this pattern. So competitors versus competitors. So competitor A versus competitor B, for example. And we really deployed this pattern. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pages on that pattern. And as you can see, that's not only text. We deployed, for example, a quiz just here. So right now, I can just ask ChatSEO, Claude Code, to duplicate this page for other competitors, and he will do the exact same page with really great, really beautiful quiz just here, table of content, etc. So just pay attention for the first page that you will create, that you have the features that you want to have. So, for example, here the quiz is a no-brainer feature because it allows the user to have a specific answer according to his context, what he wants, etc. So that's really a bonus versus just having general text like here. So yeah, just pay attention to just ask yourself what feature you can deploy that people will like based on the search intent that they have by typing, before typing, or when typing the keywords that you target. So then you have the structured data. So structured data, you see here I'm using a detailed SEO extension, a free extension to analyze it, and we see that there is quite detailed structured data on the page. Before it was really boring to do, but now you can just ask Claude Code when publishing the page to create some structured data that is relevant for SEO and GEO, and he will do a really brilliant job. So just do it. Then internal linking, that's again a detail that you want to focus on. So here we just have blog section, so that's really no-brainer again. So every article that we made are linked into the blog part, so that's great. But you can go further by creating internal links between some articles that are targeting similar keywords. So yeah, when that's done, so maybe it's like 30 minutes to 1 hour, you can just duplicate it for other keywords. And so I will do it right now, and I will show you how you can do it, but it's really simple. We will go into our website just here, ChatSEO website. You can see that I'm on Claude Code just here. And I will ask him simply just duplicate the last SEO article that we published for other competitors, and he will do all of it. Why? Because he will first analyze the last article that we made, then he will get all the SEO informations linked to it. So for example, the title, the content himself, the features, the structured data, and you will see that he will do a really great job. So we will just wait about maybe 2 minutes, and you will see that he will do the job. But before showing you the Claude Code results, I want to tell you that if you're doing that, maybe don't focus only one language, because here you will see that our Claude Code will create the page in French and in English too, because it's really automatic. So don't focus only on English. For example, if you want to target Spanish or German, you can do it too. And that's not additional work, because when Claude Code already has the text, the features, etc., translating it into some other language is really fast for him. But you need to pay attention to 3 details. First of all, you can do, for example, English content on a .fr domain. So if your TLD is targeting a specific language, you will need to create another website with another TLD. So that's the first warning. If you have a .com, that's not a problem, but you will need to create either languages, subdomains, or languages repertories. So just ask your favorite AI on this. Then you will have to have a working language selector. So just here you can see that I can select language and can switch language. So just make sure that this works correctly. And then the last thing is the most important 2 last things are you need to have a correct HTML and hreflang tags. So I will show you. I will show you just here how to check this. But you just have to copy paste this into your Claude Code. Just ask him to do it well, and he will do the job. But I will show you. So here you can see that I'm on a French web page, and if I go to my Chrome inspector and into elements just here, I can research for lang, and here I will find the HTML lang fr. So that's what we want. And if, yeah, just here you can see that I have the hreflang fr, so the page that we are on currently. And here we have the English version with the English URL that is linked just here. And this is very, very important for SEO, because in that way, Google understands that you have different versions of the same page that are targeting different languages and different countries. And we can say that the SEO power is passing from a page to another, so that's really, really important to do it. So let's see what Claude just did to okay. Claude is asking us for some questions. So here we can do like about suggest and sep start. So yeah, let's do it. Okay, so you can see just here that Claude Code is currently working, and he already does the English version of the two new pages, which will be href versus about suggest and href versus sep start. And he is right now focusing on creating the French version of it, and then he will do cross links in all articles, so internal linking. So let's see. Okay, so Claude Code just finished to publish this article, so we'll just look into it. But it tells you that each article follows the exact same template as the existing one. So full front matter with SEO metadata, 632 data, blogs, article, fake page, product, break-in risk, etc. Quiz banner, component, TLDR, feature comparison, pricing table, profile recommendation, etc. So right now we'll see. Oh, okay, really nice. So he told us that the 8 existing articles are updating with cross links to the new articles. So that's internal linking. That's really, really great. So let's just see how it looks. So the only thing that I need to do sorry, manually is inserting a image like here. You can see, so here we don't have the image, but I have a template on Canva that is not really beautiful, but that's great. So let's just see the article. So if we go to the French version, we'll have the same article just here. But let's see the English version of it. So okay, so you can see that this is the exact same thing as the previous article, so that's really, really great. We have the FAQ section, the useful resources. Here is another thing for EEAT. Just check it out if you want. And yeah, so that's really, really great. Let's analyze the title. The title is great. The meta description is great. The HN structure is great. And we also have, you see here, these structured data.